I'm going to talk about our corporate transport management platform. Basically, GOFER is designed to manage corporate transport of. GOFER users are employees of the company who request vehicles, managers who approve them, dispatchers who assign vehicles, and drivers who accept and attend to the trip. How it works is employees request via a mobile app, put the date and time and the vehicle type they want, and specify the reason they ask for the vehicle. And it goes to the managers, and the manager will, the line manager of immediate manager will authorize, or if not necessary, they will reject. So this is the main difference. If it is a taxi, usually they'll use it and then send it for approval. But here, the manager get to reject it if not very necessary. And then it goes to the dispatchers who will select suitable vehicles based on the request and see the peak usage times and probably delay or a little early if they want to manage vehicles better, and see if it is a private or business, like because employees can also request for private requirements if they have a large fleet of vehicles which has excess capacity, and see the cost of trip. And finance roles can assign budgets for companies, branches, departments, and when the budget depletes, like departments cannot request any more vehicles. So the finance can allocate budgets for the different departments if they feel necessary. Otherwise, the department or the branch will not be able to utilize more vehicles for that given period of time. And the drivers accept or reject requests, and they can track their trips, they can track their earnings, and send notifications to employees like Uber, like taxi applications arrived late, and also they can rate the passengers. And the platform, you can change the logo, and also we can brand it for you completely, all Android, iOS, and the web application, completely to look like it's your own application, or if it is an integrator, to make it look like your own product. And also, it's already available in English and Spanish, and we can add any language or make any changes to suit your requirements. And it's fully integrated with Violent to extract all required tracking data from Violent and put it on an active the dashboard with required KPIs. And this is one of the applications, user cases. The customer requirement was to distribute 1,000 vehicles between 20,000 employees and calculate payments per driver, payments per mile driven, kilometer driven, and check actual mileages versus what is reported by the drivers. And the solution for them was GOFER, and 30,000 trips managed. Since we introduced in March 2022, up to date, there were over 30,000 requests made through GOFER, and it made the system totally paperless, approvals, reports, everything. And they have been saving every month over $12,500 by utilization, reducing, optimizing vehicles. And also the difference between the reported by drivers and actual, there was a big gap always. And GOFER can be also used for various other applications like tourist coaches and airport limousines, like kind of limousine services, which they have private fleet of vehicles, and any other private fleet, or ad hoc transport, like unplanned transportation requests, office shuttles, and private cars used by companies. Like if they use their private cars for official use for some trips, that also can be managed through the system. So why you choose GOFER? It's not Uber. The taxi systems are designed to always maximize profit for the taxi companies, whereas GOFER is designed by its core to reduce the transport cost for the company. And it's mobile, so you don't need any additional infrastructure. Standard mobiles, computers can be used. And it's totally business focused. Like you can multi-level approvals, budget control, and reporting, expense reporting, everything is available built in. And also it makes the system completely paperless. And if you want to try GOFER, we can provide a free trial for 30 days where you can use the system and see. And thank you for listening. And if you have any questions, I can answer.